Hello everybody, Lurgs here, welcome to my channel, and today what to do if you've accidentally renamed a folder or file and you want to undo it. Okay, I'm in File Explorer here and I want to rename this folder to something more memorable, and I accidentally type in something that I don't want. With the mouse, move your cursor anywhere into the right hand side of the box, right click on your mouse and select this option, Undo Rename, and there it puts the folder back to the original name. Likewise, if you go to rename all the files and again accidentally make a mistake and it's not what you wanted to call it, right click in this box, select Undo Rename, and it puts it all back again. Now you may not have options at the top of your menu, but you can add these on. So if you look up here on the top left, you've got this undo icon. You can click on that and that undoes your rename or undoes anything that you've done in File Explorer. And if you click on this small down arrow, these are the options that you can add to your toolbar menu at the top. So you can add the undo and the redo so they can be on there permanently, so you don't have to right click and select rename. And the other way that you can do it is use your keyboard by pressing Ctrl and Z. And that definitely deserves a lovely cup of tea. Oh, tea. Oh. I hope you found that useful. Up here is a video on how to print multiple pictures on Windows 10 the easy way. And on this side is a video on how to take multiple screenshots on Windows 10 and retrieve them. Hope you found that useful. Thanks for visiting my channel, everyone. I really appreciate it.